Missouri.
What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Now this time I'm doing an outdoor review on the Vivo V17 Pro. So make sure if you like this video, please comment if you want to see an outdoor reviews coming up. So let's head to the store and let's get the phone. I'm getting the midnight ocean color right now. So before we begin, big shout out to people over here at JALIYAN Telecom. Details are in the description. Make sure if you want to buy anything, check the store out. So let's get the phone. Here is the Vivo V17 Pro. Now the circle in the screen already tells you that it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. And my god, 20:9 aspect ratio on the screen looks pretty amazing. HDR plus screen with super AMOLED display. Damn. Now make sure if you're new to the channel, please stay tuned because this is the next phone that I'm going to probably review about. That is the Vivo V17. That this launched 2 or 3 days ago. You know the special thing about it, let me flip it over. So the best thing about it is not just the screen but also a new design that has punch hole camera design. So make sure if you're new, subscribe and stay tuned. Click the bell icon as well. So here we have the Midnight Ocean Vivo V17. Please ignore the finger scratches and fingerprints on this because it has a screen guard. Now if we look on this, at the bottom you get the SIM tray tool, of course a mic as well, but this is the hole is for ejection. Yep. Then the charger, the speakers, and turning it on the side you get the volume rocker button and a power button. Also you get a dedicated button for Google Assistant on the other side. So at the top you have our beloved 3.5mm jack and the camera, and of course a mic also. Quad camera setup might be a highlight for this, and it also comes with super macro mode, due to which there is dual LED flash in the middle. Vivo branding at the bottom, of course, because marketing. So let's start it. And the first thing we did was, since it is a night review, so we tried to take a couple of shots. Now the 48 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel secondary camera with 2x optical zoom, also the third camera 8 megapixel wide angle, as well as the 2 megapixel for depth. It does a pretty good job. I was impressed with these landscape shots. One of them you can see it right now on the camera. With low lighting also this camera performs good, and you had to not ask any question with the front camera because there are two cameras in the front, pop-up camera plus dual pop-up camera with 32 megapixel and 8 megapixel. Does a pretty good job. Now shots are right now on the screen, you can see a sample of them. They do a pretty amazing job on the camera. And since we have asked about the camera, let's see what is running on this phone. So while searching it right now, I was pretty amazed that it comes with only one variant, that is the 8GB 128GB variant. Now it runs on Android 9 Fun Touch OS obviously, and the processor is not the best, but it is the Snapdragon 675, which would do pretty much good job, but yeah, not the best in the market. Now we tried the security on this thing. Now the fingerprint, everything is all good, but I'm not happy with the face recognition because you cannot use it on the default. You need to have 3 failed attempts on the fingerprint, and after that you can use the that pop-up camera for face recognition. Now coming at the price, it is priced at 27,000 right now online. So if you want to get that, you can get this one. It is a pretty good phone. So see you in another video. Peace for now.